BBC.
Okay. 4 more people. Fadil, Aben, Juwan. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon,
Okay. So, how was the week? How was the week?
Fine.
How are your studies going on?
Good.
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 Again, please tell me who is this Rinky Sebastian? Jo Maria?
Jo Maria.
Okay, fine.
Jo
fine.
Maria.
I have to by heart it.
Ma'am, Michelle present.
Yes, Michelle present.
Ma'am, like iPhone came. Present.
Okay, Juwan present.
present.
Yes. Savion present. Now,
Present.
can you please calm down? Silence, please. Abel Varghese, Don Martin.
Like iPhone, you're going to buy heart?
Yes, exactly. Because as I told you, you are the people whom I meet more frequently in a week, right? No other classes. I don't. Paurnami, are you going to swallow that? There was something inside her mouth. Okay, fine. I was just kidding. Don't take it personally. So, of course, I have to learn a lot of things about you because you are the only batch with whom I interact the most in a week. 3 times in a week is really a great time, right? So anyway, I'm enjoying the sessions with you and I'm so happy and I feel at the top of the galaxy when I come with you. Seriously. See, look at Kaya's face. Yes, Joe. You are also at the top of the galaxy. Okay. And there is one more, feeling great. Yes, feeling great. But suppose if you're not feeling great, there is no point saying that I'm feeling great. I'm okay. Not feeling so good. Perfectly fine. See, there are different ways of saying. And even other than saying I'm feel at the top of the galaxy, there is another usage that is I'm on cloud 9. Have you heard about that? I'm on cloud 9. See, when you get great achievement, you are really thrilled and excited about something, about some achievement. You can use this. I'm on cloud 9. See, the thing has got nothing to do with the clouds in the sky or the number 9, but it simply means that I'm so excited. I'm extremely excited. I'm on cloud 9. So you learned.
Ma'am, someone is noising.
Who is whistling there? See, they are not. Actually, they are not doing it purposely. Maybe it's a problem with the device. Network issue. Okay, I'll just mute. Yes? Yes, Abel, tell me.
I am late.
No, dear. You are at the perfect time. We were just having a chit chat. Okay? Yes. So Aben is here. Aditya KP. Yes, Aditya has started coming right. Aditya. Okay, Aditya, are you okay now? Is everything fine at home? Okay, fine. Then Sanjal, Amen, Michelle, Ashwad. Ashwad, be more regular, okay? For the past 3 classes, you were there. Make sure that you don't take any more leave. Anton also. Okay, fine. So, hi, Mohammed Fadil, how are you? Yes.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, very good. And Aben? Aben, did you have your lunch?
No.
No. Okay, Linliju. Linliju has got some network issue. Okay, dear students. So for the past 2 classes, we have been learning about the sentence stress. And I hope you all understood what is sentence stress. Did I send you that small passage that I made Navneet and Vihan read in the class about health, a paragraph on health? No, I did not send. Maybe I forgot. I'm so sorry. I'll send it to you today. Actually, I thought of sending it to you on the other day, on Tuesday, but it just slipped out of my mind. There was no network and I forgot about it. I'm extremely sorry. Okay, I'll send it today. So shall we have a look at it today? And those who could not read on that day can give a try. Okay. I hope you can all see the board. Yes? Okay. And in the last class, no. Yes, Nandana, you can see. Fine. And in the last class, someone, I think it was Vihan, he gave me all the words that have to be stressed in the passage, right? Who was that? Was that Navneet or Vihan? Was it Kailash? Seriously?
I did not read that.
No. Navneet, was it you?
Ma'am, it was not me, ma'am. I think you forgot.
No. I think it was Vihan, I guess. Was it Vihan who gave me the correct words to be stressed? And I was underlining. Okay, so you don't remember, but I remember there was somebody who gave me the correct idea which word has to be stressed, because you know, for this reading, when you take care of the sentence stress, you have to stress on the content words, right? And so what are the content words? The nouns, the adjectives, the verbs, the adverbs, then the WH questions, the reflexive pronouns, all these have to be stressed.
Plosives
So,
also, ma'am?
plosives, of course, along with plosives. See, this is only about the stress on the words and the sentence stress. So when you take care of it, please don't forget about our other pronunciation tips. That is, rounding your lips when you pronounce a word starting with W. The plosive sounds pa, ta, and ka, and the letter R. Okay, the letter R, and also
Ma'am, for
the
me is drawing.
Scribbling on the board.
hello. Who is doing that? Erase it off. Be good children. Don't do that. Okay. Behave yourself. Okay, fine. So accordingly, I'm going to underline the content words in that. And when you read, you have to stress on the word. So what do you mean by stressing on particular word? It has to be louder, a bit stronger than the other words. Okay, so let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Starting with health. Wait. Just a moment. Okay. Health. Can you see the lines I'm drawing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Biggest wealth. It helps us to enjoy all the little things in life. If one is not healthy, they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy can impact, see the word impact, the health of people around us too. In order to be truly healthy, one must eat well, sleep on time, and wake up early. Staying fit by exercising daily also helps to keep one's health in proper check. Yes, exactly. So the words that I have underlined in this passage have to be stressed. That means you have to pronounce these words a bit stronger than the remaining words. Okay, that is what is meant stress. Otherwise, there will be no intonation in your reading. Remember what is intonation? What do you mean by intonation? Amen. Do you remember? I always used to say this word, intonation. Intonation. Do you remember the meaning of the word? If you don't remember, you say, no, ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, fine. Is there anybody?
Proper speaking?
No. Is there anyone who remembers? Eva? What do you mean by intonation? Huh?
Stopping correctly?
Not only stopping correctly. For example, like I'll tell you, health is the biggest wealth. You can read a sentence anyway, right? Health is the biggest wealth. See, I read that sentence in one way. Now listen to this. Health is the biggest wealth. Look at the rise of my tone. So when you give stress on particular words in a sentence, there will be a rising and a falling tone in your sentence, which will make you sound more interesting. When I'm speaking to you, if there is no intonation, you will sound very boring, just like you will sound very boring. You will be sounding like a robot, right? So Anton, are you listening to me? Yes. Aditya KP, Aditya KP, did you understand what is intonation? Aditya KP, did you understand what is intonation? See, this is the difference. So when I'm using the correct stress on the words, that rising and falling of my tone gives the intonation to the sentence and you will start sounding more interesting. Otherwise, it will be very, very boring. Right?
Ma'am, sorry.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Huh?
ma'am, someone scribbling on the board.
Hello. Who is scribbling? Kailash, how do you pronounce that word? Scribbling. Scribbling. Plosives. Scribbling.
Scribbling.
Scribbling. Exactly. Okay, fine. So, yes, Amen. Just give a try. See, I have underlined all the important words here. They're called content words. You have to read this. If you miss out any word, I'll help you. Don't worry. Or I'll read it once. Listen to it carefully and then you can read.
Ma'am,
Okay?
can I read?
Wait. Who is that?
Vihan.
Okay, Vihan, you read.
Amen. Spinach
is the biggest wealth. It helps us to enjoy all the little things in life. If one is not healthy, they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy can impact the health of people around us too. In order to be truly healthy, one must eat well, sleep on time, and wake up early. Staying fit by exercising daily also helps to keep one's health in proper check.
Very good. Very good. Now, Amen, just give a try. After Amen, Kailash. Okay. Yes, I'll try to make most of you who are interested to read, I'll make you read. Don't worry. Yes, Amen.
Paurnami Umesh is scribbling on the board.
Paurnami Umesh, please stop scribbling on the board. Yes, Amen. Sorry.
Health is the biggest wealth. It helps us to enjoy all the little things in our lives.
Okay.
If one is not healthy, they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy can impact the
Yes.
health of people around us too. In order to be truly healthy, one must eat well, sleep on time, and wake up early. Staying fit by exercising daily also help to keep one's health in proper check.
Very good. You did really well. But Amen, just take care of these words. How to read this word? K-E-E-P?
Keep.
Keep. Exactly. So when you read the word alone, you will say keep. Same way. How do you read this word? Amen? T-I-M-E?
Time.
Time. But when you read along with the sentence, sleep on time. So it's okay. But still, you read very, very well. Congratulations. Okay, good.
Thank
Good,
you.
good. Yes. Kailash. Kailash is a person who always keeps on wailing. Ma'am, let me read. Okay, Kailash. Where are you? Wait a minute. Yes, you are already unmuted. No wonder. Okay, fine. Start reading.
Health is the biggest wealth.
Huh.
Helps us to enjoy all the little things in life. If one is not healthy, they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy can impact the health of people around us too. In order to be truly healthy, one must eat
well,
sleep on time, and wake up early. Staying fit by exercising daily also helps to keep
one's health
proper check.
Okay, very good. Anyway, he's trying a lot. I'm so happy with Kaila's performance, okay? Because the the more times, like how frequently he's taking the initiative, he is improving. So he is really putting his effort, and I truly appreciate that. Very well done, Kailash, and keep it up. Yes. Yes, Navneet, it's your turn.
Health is the biggest wealth. It helps to enjoy all the little things in life. If one is not healthy, they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy can impact the, the health of people around us too. In order to be truly healthy, one must eat well, sleep on time, and wake up early. Staying fit by exercising daily also helps to keep one's health in proper check.
Fantastic. What you say, excellent. Very good. So Navneet, keep it up. Okay. And I love the way he was reading, like focusing on each and every word. Even this word was taken care of in a beautiful way, like to. So when you read it fast, there is a tendency for you to just skip out some words, especially the smaller words like to be. See, look at this, to be. You can, like, if you read faster, in order to be, in order to be. It can just go like that. But when you read slower, you will definitely focus on each word and then make sure that you read it as in order to be, to be. Okay, so that was really fantastic. Harshavardhan. I can see many raised hands, but unfortunately, I can make only one read at a time. So please bear with me. I'll definitely make sure that all of you get a chance. Yes.
Us to enjoy all the little
Things.
things in life.
Hmm.
If one is not
Healthy.
healthy,
Hmm.
they feel
Fail to feel happy. See, when you ask for chance, you should be confident to read. So what are you supposed to do is, when others are reading, keep your audio muted and read along with them so that you get the pronunciation of each word clearly. So when I give you an opportunity to read, you should not be fumbling for the words. You should be knowing how to read each word. Otherwise, others will be missing the chance. So this is the fourth or fifth time I'm making you read, right? So you should be knowing how each word should be read. Okay, Harshavardhan, continue. Pay attention on each word and read carefully.
of happy can improve the healthy of people and used to eat our to be.
I don't understand. Where are you reading, Harsha? Wait. You just wait for 2 more chances and then I'll come back to you. And Pavira, I want fluent reading. So if you're not able to read, please wait. Practice. You keep your audio muted and practice along with it so that you get the pronunciation of each word correctly. Yes, and Pavira, read.
Health is the biggest wealth. It helps us to enjoy all the
Little
things in life.
Hmm.
If one is not healthy, they will
They fail to feel happy.
They fail to feel happy. Beginning unhappy.
No, it's being. And Pavira, it's being.
Unhappy can impact the health of people around us too. In order to be truly healthy, one must eat well, sleep on time, and wake up early.
Staying fit.
But exercising daily also helps to keep one's health in proper check.
Okay, very good. And Pavira, you read very well. Next, Adide. Yes. Adidev. Yes, Adidev. Read. Let me see how well you have improved in your reading. See, if you're fumbling for the words, I'll mute you again and I'll go for somebody else. So just make sure that you're reading properly. Yes, Adi.
Health is the biggest wealth.
Hmm.
It helps us to enjoy all the little things in life.
Hmm.
If one is not healthy, they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy cannot impact
Hello,
the
Adi. Of course you are reading, but where is the pronunciation tips applied? Where is that style of speaking? I have been giving you many pronunciation tips. So why are you not applying that? You're simply reading. I just don't want simple reading. I want you to apply the rules. Is they fail to feel happy. Being unhappy, it's not unhappy. There is no sound like na sound in English. No na sound. It's unhappy. Unhappy can. Can.
impact.
Wait,
Can,
Adi,
can,
listen to me. Can. See, there are
Can.
3 plosive sounds in English. I had explained to you in the beginning of the class. They are pa, ta, and ka. Okay, it's not about the letter K, it's about the sound ka. So sometimes the word might start with C, or sometimes it might start with K. But the sound should be ka. So the word with the spelling C-A-N should be pronounced as can. Same way, what is the next word? It's impact. How do you read that word? Impact. Yes, impact. Yes, continue. The health of people. It's not people. It's not people. It's people. People, exactly.
The health of people
Around us too. Two again, two. That's the reason why I have circled it. Yes, two.
In order to be truly
Not
healthy.
order. Wait, Adi. I have told you how to pronounce the letter R. It should be pronounced softly. Roll the tongue to the back like R. In order to be. Order. Say the word order. Exactly. Order. In order to be truly healthy.
In order to be truly healthy.
One must.
One must be eat well.
Well. Sleep on.
Sleep on time and wake up
See,
earlier.
where are you rushing? Don't be in a hurry. Read slowly. Sleep on time. See, only if you are ready to read applying all these rules, you need to raise your hand. Others, you have to simply sit and listen. You should make a change. You should be ready to change the way you are reading, children. Only then there will be difference. Only then you are going to see the difference. Otherwise, you'll be at the same level. See, I'm appreciating the students who are really putting effort. I can see great. It is not because of me. It is because of your effort, your practice. So you should be ready to do that. I can only give you the guidance. I can only show you the way. Whether to go, whether to take that way or not to take that way, it's your choice. So I would request all the 25 participants, all the 25 students to listen carefully. Listen to what I'm saying and listen to when others are speaking. You can compare. So when you find someone reading better than you, feel free to copy them. Feel free to appreciate them and understand it is possible by each and every one of you. If they can do, why not you? It's nothing impossible. I'm just giving you small, simple steps. Very simple tips to improve your language. Please use them. Okay? Fine. Now, who else? Okay, before moving on to the further practice, I would like to ask you a simple question. Let me check whether you have been like observant, whether you are observing the things. Just a moment. Okay, fine. Just look at the board. Just a moment. Okay. I'm not able to show you the.
Ma'am,
Just a moment. Yes. What can
I can
what
only see the sense board.
what do you see on the screen now?
The sense board. In
Sense board, but I'm not able to see it here.
Ma'am, I can
On
only see the black
wait. There is split screen.
The sense board in the portrait view.
Portrait view. Okay. Just a moment.
Sense
Huh.
board.
Stop. I guess I'll
And
be able
it's
to do
stuck
it.
and trying to open the screen.
Okay.
Ma'am, but I can see something, but a black thing is right here, ma'am.
Okay. Just a
The
moment.
sense board's go.
Let me try to fix it. Tools. I'm sorry. Okay. Now is it clear? Can you see it now?
Now it's clear.
Yes. Okay.
Clear.
Fine. You can see the board, right?
Yes.
Huh. Okay. I'm going to write a few words. You know, T-H-E. How do you read this word? How do you read this word? T-H-E? Can anyone give me the right pronunciation of this word? The. Okay. Adityan? Sorry. I'll unmute everyone. How do you pronounce T-H-E?
The.
Okay. All of you agree. Right? Fine. Okay. Fine. Yes. T-H-E-A-L-T-H. The okay. It's raining heavily outside, so you have to carry this. And this is my favorite fruit. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to read this according to the pronunciation. The health, okay? The health, the school, the umbrella, the oranges. I'll repeat. The health, the school, the umbrella, the oranges. What did you notice? Did you notice anything? Yes, Vihan, tell me.
After the two words, then umbrella and orange has the.
Why?
First two words, the.
Okay, the first two words, I pronounce the word as the, whereas the last two words, I pronounce it as the. Why? Did anyone notice? Yes, Navneet.
Ma'am, because the health and the school was singular and the oranges.
No. That's not the reason. Yes, Adityan. Let us see.
School, the health,
Huh?
the school, the umbrella, the orange.
No, it's the umbrella, the oranges. Why? The oranges.
Yes.
So my question is very simple. Why the oranges and the health? Juan got it? Think about it, okay? It's time for us to wind up the class. Find out the reason and let me know it on Monday. Let me see
Okay,
who is
ma'am.
able to know the answer. Who is able to find out the answer? Yes, Juan, tell me. Jo Maria is scratching her head. She's thinking hard.
Ma'am, is
Juan.
it vowels?
Exactly. Yes.
Vishnu told. Vishnu told.
Who? Seriously?
Vishnu sent it
Vishnu.
in chat box. Send it
Oh my
in
God, I'm
chat
so
box.
sorry. I'm so sorry, Vishnu. Yes, Vishnu, you got it right. When THE comes before the vowel sound, a big clap for Vishnu to finding out the answer. Very good, Vishnu. Congratulations. So the thing is that when it comes before the vowel sound, you pronounce the word as D. And when it comes before the consonant sound, it is pronounced like the. Okay? So please add this to the pronunciation tip. So thank you all. Bye. See you in the next class on
Bye,
Monday.
ma'am.
I'll send you this one, this passage.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'll send you this passage and please practice it well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.